Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Sukhmani and it's really nice to meet you guys. I hope you all are doing amazing, as well as you can do during this time. So I wanted to make an intro video for my YouTube channel and just talk about what this channel is about and why I upload videos to YouTube. As I mentioned in one of my earlier videos that I graduated as an architect, but over some time I realized that art was something that made me really happy and it was something that I wanted to do, and that's why I didn't really get into architecture and I started painting. I really like to see stuff that makes me wonder, and art in whole is like a wonderful thing. Sometimes I just want to get into the mind of the artist and understand how he or she perceives the world and sees everything, how amazing things you can create, and it just amazes me. Everything is so amazing. I'm really fascinated by the paints they use, by the techniques they use, the materials they use, different, so much stuff. I can't even comprehend it sometimes. I always love how I can create something just using my hands and using all these elements and just get in that zone. Ever since I was a kid, I loved art, I loved craft work. I used to do art all the time. I used to watch TV shows related to art and I would make stuff with the weird things. I don't know, I used to just keep on doing shit, but I didn't really practice it properly. I didn't go to art school, I didn't study the techniques and the paints and the materials and everything, so I just lost touch with the art. I just got back into art after I graduated and I was seeing this trend a lot of fluid art going on and I just wanted to try it. So I did, and I just made my first piece and then I kept making. I didn't really know where I was going, but I was just making art and I didn't really document it properly. I made a few videos here and there, but I don't have a proper record of it. I think I should make a video showing all of my artwork. It will be fun. Stay tuned for that. So recently I've been wanting to learn and try a bunch of stuff that is not really cohesive and it's very different from fluid art, and I've been worrying about this stuff for a long time. But now I'm not going to think about unity from piece to piece, because I think what unifies my work altogether is the fact that I made it and I'm learning something new, something different, something more, and that's the whole point, I think so. So this channel is going to be like a video diary of my artistic journey, where you guys can come with me, just studying, practicing and growing in general. And my job is just to collect good ideas and act on them and find myself. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this journey, my journey, leaves some impression on your lives and you get to learn something by this, maybe. But before that, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye. Hi. Pa makdi.